Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place we explore the art of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. I'm sure all of you know to having a healthy diet is one of the fundamental of to maintain our health and big part of the having a healthy lifestyle. Today I want to show you how you can prepare a healthy but delicious and gourmet burger for yourself and your family. I use the basically classic burger. I add extra spices and ingredients, and I use different type of topping to make that burger a kind of tantalizing experience for your taste bud and your family. Then let's get started. To create this gourmet burger, we need beef mince, garlic paste, red capsicum, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric, sweet paprika, eggs, onion, carrot, teriyaki sauce, halloumi cheese, green salad, aioli sauce, and burger bun, of course. I use regular beef. You can use lean beef, which potentially is healthier, but I have young boys which they like a bit more juicy burger. Again, this ingredient, obviously the amount I put in this video is for 5-6 adult people. You can adjust it accordingly for how many people they're going to have. I like to add ideally fresh garlic, but I use garlic paste in this recipe because a lot of times, just like most of us, we are short of the time, and little things, if you can accelerate the meal preparation, I will take it. I find using good garlic paste and ginger paste always helps to process a bit faster, but if you can use the fresh one, obviously it's better. Carrot and onion and capsicum, I use food processor and instead of chopping them fine, again to accelerate the process. However, when as you will see, when I use the food processors, I try to not overly chop the vegetable because otherwise become too mushy and your patty gonna fall apart. I like to add more ingredient to my food because more ingredient you have more benefit from each ingredient, and you have much better, healthier and balanced diet. Obviously we know all of those plants have a lot of vitamin, minerals, and good fiber, which add to our burger, which is make it a much healthier and more nicer, I have to say, meal. As you can see, the mix isn't quite still rough, but because of the fresh vegetables, they have a lot of juice. I put them in the colander and with the spoon, not too hard, squeeze to some of the juice come out. As you can see, this juice you can actually have it with don't check it out, with a bit of sparkling water and ice. That's a nice health kick. Add the rest of the mix of the fresh vegetables to our bowl, and then we start to actually mixing all of those ingredients quite well together. I initially use I add on my teriyaki sauce. You don't have to, but I just experiment and I find it give a bit of more interesting taste, but really you don't have to. If you don't have it, it's not necessary. I mix them with a spoon to get them a bit mixed together, and when some of the ingredients almost mixed, I start using my hand because you really need to mix it well and make your meat and ingredient just like this, just like a bit of paste. As you're happy with texture of your meat, you make them a lot of little bowl, as you can see, and I use cooking paper or baking paper, and used to flat our bowl to a patty. I usually find a tip: if you want your burger be flat, it's a good idea to make the middle of it a bit thinner and the edge a bit thicker, because as you fry them in the oil, the middle bits actually rise, and you have the flat nice burger. And you go through that process. That part a tad time consuming, but again, it depends how many people you're going to feed, and in my case was 5 more or less adult people. They're going to eat that meal. Therefore I made a lot of burger. I use vegetable oil, and in medium heat, because you don't want to burn the burger or ingredient. And just you put them in the frying pan, as you can see, and then slowly let them cook one side, and when you're happy, you turn them other way. Yeah, nice and gentle. You don't want to just break them. A bit softer because we have all of those vegetable, but still, as you can say, they keep it's because I take the juice out, still you have nice looking burger. And then you take them out, put them in the paper towel to absorb extra fat, and we are ready to assemble our burger. I used halloumi cheese, and I fried them in the butter, and that's now my wife actually assembling. This is harissa paste rolls, which I made a few weeks ago, and you can, if you're interested to make that paste, I really recommend it with this burger. It really goes quite well. You can watch it. I'll put the link down below. And this is our halloumi cheese, and we put a lot of greens, as you can see. Again, I try to use as many green in my salad. More green, more vegetable, you have better healthy food. Avocado, of course, all of you guys know it's one of the healthiest fruit you can have in your daily diet. And here you have takes a bit of time to put all of them. I want a lot of salad. We like our salad, and as you put more salad, actually you crave for more. And tad of the aioli sauce, which just make it a bit blend all of those food together. And here we have beautiful, lovely burger, and I tell you, everyone in the family really enjoy that burger, and I hope you make it and you enjoy it with your family as well. I hope you enjoy watching this video and hopefully motivate you to try to make that burger for yourself and your family, and experience the taste, texture, and enjoy it, because it's really, I think, is relatively healthy and balanced diet. As a rule of thumb, if you use more ingredient in your preparation of your meal, more likely you have a better and healthier balanced diet. Of course, the fresh and good quality of the ingredient is another factor as well. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And up to next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.